So the picture in question that drew people's attention is this one at the lower right. This big oval here is a map of the entire sky as measured with the cosmic heat radiation. And I told you earlier that we had to have blobs. Well, there they are. And if those blobs had not been there, we would not be able to explain how come we exist. In other words, we would not be able to explain how the expanding universe could have turned around some material that made it collapse back into stars and planets. So it's just the right amount, as it turns out, to do that. So the variations are very faint, 30 microdegrees Kelvin out of about 3 degrees Kelvin, 2.7, which is so small that it would took an entire year of measurement to be able to even detect it. So when Stephen Hawking saw that chart, he said it was the most important scientific discovery of the century, if not of all time. But that was pretty cool. But I hadn't yet realized the importance of it that I just described to you, that we couldn't exist if those blobs weren't there, or at least we couldn't explain their existence. So a number of years later, my colleagues on this project actually produced another satellite to measure better. This is their better measurement, much more detail, and it actually agrees with the first one where it should, and so much more detail, confirmed everything that we expected, and gives us very precise measurements of the details of the early universe. And so in October 3rd, 2006, I got a phone call from Stockholm one morning, 5:45 in the morning in this time zone. First question was, am I the real John Mather? Because you don't want to make this announcement to somebody else. That they're awarding us the Nobel Prize for a measurement or discovery of the black body form. And black body form is the curve with the little boxes on it. And that's a formula that was found back in about 1905, I guess, and turned out to apply to this. Anisotropy, and that is a Greek word. It means, and means not. Iso, the same. Tropy, direction. It's not the same in every direction. So the universe has blobs on it. And so they gave us the prize for that. I got to go to Stockholm. I showed my chart a lot. I still want to show my chart a lot. I'm very proud of it. And I got to meet the king, and eventually gave me a check, which went into a little foundation for the John and Jane Mather Foundation for Science and the Arts. So we spent some money on summer interns at Goddard, and we spent some money on ballet dancers. So